Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this mini remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to press this little silver button here, which releases the emergency key fob blade out at the top of the fob. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this cover here so we can gain access to the battery. So we get our flat-headed screwdriver, like this one, and there is just an indentation there where we can put the blade in and give it a twist to remove the cover. If it hasn't been off before, this cover can be quite stiff, but it does come. And there you go. Now, we need to remove this cover. So we get our small screwdriver, just pop it under there. Like so, and there is your battery. That screwdriver again, we just get underneath it and prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just place it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we get the cover again and click it in place. Get this cover and just click it in place. And now we get the blade. And there you go. It's all done.